Our new book, The Veg Box, is available to pre-order. We've taken the 10 most popular veg, cooked them 10 ways using 10 ingredients or less. Link down below to pre-order. It's called The Veg Box. Welcome to One Pot Spicy Potato Stew. This is heartwarming, this is delicious, I'm an Irish person, I love potatoes. This is one of my favorite ways to eat potatoes. So this is really, really good. Takes 20 minutes, feeds 4 people, and it's magnificent. Okay, first step, we have a nice wide bottom non-stick pan on medium to high heat. Okay, going in with about a tablespoon of oil. Okay, pan's nice and hot. We've got one large plain white onion, which I'm gonna pop into fry. So while the onions are caramelizing and nicely brown in there, I've got 800 grams of potatoes. Just make sure they're washed, make sure the skin's on, and we're gonna chop them into similar sized, bite-sized pieces. Okay, onions look crispy, they look brown, they look caramelized, they look magic. I've got 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna pop them in and fry them for literally a minute, just until they go golden, that was. Okay, I've got 2 tablespoons of whole cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seeds. They're gonna just add our base flavors and just really add this aromatic, pungent note. What we're looking for here is that the cumin seed starts to pop. You should hear that nice kind of just popping sound. As soon as that starts to pop, we're ready to go. We're ready to add in more flavor. Okay, into the pan, I've got 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, also known as tomato concentrate. Also, time to add in the spicy element. So I'm gonna go with their own Happy Pear spicy red pepper pesto. If you've harissa will work. Pesto, any type of kind of spicy flavor inducing sauce. I'm going with 4 tablespoons of our spicy red pepper pesto. This is amazing stuff. Ooh, this is downtown flavor. So I've got 800 grams of potatoes. I've just used a simple kind of Irish red skin potato known as the Satanta. This is an organic variety. And it goes, spread it around. We really want to try to coat these potatoes. So just fry those potatoes down for just a couple of minutes. Time to add in our veg stock and we're gonna cook our potatoes. So I have 600 ml of veg stock. If you don't have veg stock, you could just use water and in it goes. Try to just spread it around and just scrape, kind of deglaze any bits of the pan that we're sticking. So just pop the lid on. What's gonna happen is the lid is gonna trap that steam, and as that steam kind of circulates, it's gonna cook the potatoes quickly. So cook for about 10 minutes, just occasionally stir just to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay, spuds have been, ooh, that's kind of exciting. Okay, spuds have been boiling for about 10 minutes. They are beginning to get soft. They still have their body. Time to add a bit more veg to this. So I've got 1 tin of organic green lentils. I've drained and rinsed them. In they go. If you don't have lentils, you could use any type of bean you like that works. Chickpeas, butter bean, cannellini bean, kidney bean, etc. So this is 250 grams of cooked lentils. And then I have 1 courgette, is what we call it this side of the world. Other parts, they call it zucchini. So another kind of veg like that, in it goes. This is just gonna add a bit of body. Courgettes are nice and juicy, so it will kind of contrast with the potatoes nicely. It'll add a nice bit of green, which we need to bring more color to this dish. Pop the lid back on. I'm gonna boil it for 6 to 7 minutes until the potatoes are soft and ready to go. Whoosh! Voila! Okay, looks great. What you're looking for here is the potatoes are soft. You wanna make sure they're soft to touch, but that they're not falling apart. You don't want this dish to go nice and lose that lovely kind of texture to it. Okay, how we're gonna finish this dish off, I have some coriander or herb of choice. Make sure to chop the herb or the stalk too. There's loads of flavor in that. So, just a nice little dusting of that. I've got coconut yogurt, is always my favorite. I've got a nice bit of that. And finally, just a little tiny bit of olive oil on top, just to make it. Boom. Final little bit, just for those, I think, which is nice, a little bit of lime, a little bit of acid to cut through all that starch. I think goes really, really well. Add more to your taste, and again, like any dish, just season to your taste. Like, it's just like the perfect belly hug. Like, it's soft, it's elegant, it's creamy, it's spicy. There's a nice caramel note from the onion. That is like perfect comfort food. Spicy, 1 pot potato stew. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of this channel. And we do have our new book available to pre-order. You would have seen it from the intro. Link down below to pre-order. Thanks for watching. Sending lots of love. Bye.